Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing the Grim Reaper to celebrate Halloween. It's the one time of the year I get to draw something kind of spooky, but trying to make it cute as well, if that's possible. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this very cool character, let's first start by drawing his eye sockets. So I'm going to come right here and start basically drawing an oval at a slight slant. So I'm just going to come around, making the bottom a little bit wider and connect. And same thing over here. So we're just going to draw two of them. So these eye sockets are meant to make it look a little bit more friendly and cuter. Okay, so we have these two big ovals at a slight slant. And then we're going to come to the center of that and then draw the nose. So right here, it's kind of like an upside down heart. Just going to go ahead and right here and draw that. And you know what? Might as well just come in here and shade this all in black so you can see a little bit better. So of course you can draw your Grim Reaper with those very scary eyes if you like. I'm trying to make mine a little bit cuter. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come to the bottom of each eye, and about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve right underneath on both sides, right underneath, kind of nicely centered. Then from there is where I'm going to start to draw the mouth area. So kind of like the center of each eye, I'm going to come down with a slight angle on both sides, round it off, and connect at the bottom with a curve. There. And then we're going to just come in here in the center, maybe just 3 lines for indication of the teeth. And then in between each eye, let's just add a little curve right here in between. There. So then from there, we're going to come to the top, about in the center area. It doesn't really matter, maybe a little bit off center. I'm just going to say about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve close to the eye socket. So this is kind of where the hood is. So I'm just going to draw a curve close to the eye socket and down. So same thing over here. And down. So then from there, I just want enough space because I need to draw the cheekbone area. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead, following the eye socket, go ahead and connect this curve. So same thing over here. There, so we've created our skull inside. And then let's see here, now we can go ahead and finish this part. So we're going to bring this down underneath the mouth towards the center, just slope down and go back up right here. And then let's come to the, let's come back over here, and we're going to thicken this up. So let's come follow a little bit wider right here, and we're going to go up. So same thing over here, thinner here, and then we're going to go up wider to go up. So as we come up right here, going to follow, and then about top right here, we're going to make it taller. Towards the center is going to be our tallest peak area, and I'm going to bring this down, and then about right here to create the other side. And same thing. So in this area right here is where we're going to create this little tail and bring in. There. Okay, so then in this space right here, you can just color it black or red, whatever color you want inside. I won't color it black yet because I might want to make it red. We'll see. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the body. So let's say about right here and here, nicely in the center. I'm just going to draw a curve, and I'm going to come back in this area and come down for a very simplified robe. So I'll just bring this down and this. So about right there, I'm going to stop because I have this scythe that the Grim Reaper is holding that's going to be about in this area. And, well, actually, you know what? I'll erase just so maybe I'll show it to you a little bit easier. So I'll bring this down. So if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and bring this down. And let's say about right here, I'll stop. And I'll come in here and zigzag my way across for the ends of our robe to make it kind of raggedy right at the bottom. So you're just coming this way, and as you come to the center, go the other way. Then from there, let's draw this hand first. Since it's simpler, just come to the side, kind of follow, give it a little bit of zigzag, and then just a curve in to simplify it. Then on this side, let's put the hands about right here. So I'm going to start, let's say about right here. Go ahead and draw a thumb. So an oval. And we're going to have another oval going this way. Another one and one more. So 3 of them right there. And in this hand, we're going to draw angle line down, holding our scythe. So let's bring this down, angling it about right here. So that's why I say if you're using a pencil, definitely draw the rope first. It's a lot easier. And I'll just end it about right there. And this is going to go up, and I'm just going to imagine it. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point and draw it downwards because it's just much easier for my hand. So just try my best. Oh my gosh. Let's do that again. And so if you're at home, definitely turn your paper if you need to get a better angle to draw this line. And bring it down. There. Okay, so then as we come to the top right here, we're going to draw the blade. So I'm going to come right here over the head and draw a big curve right over. Then I'll just give it a slight angle right here, come up, round it off as well, and come across to thicken our blade. And back down. There. And then you can pop out an end right here. There. Come in here and just thicken this bottom part up. Should give it a little bit more volume. There. Okay, so then in this area we need to fill in the robe. So right here for the arms, I'm just going to come down and drape a curve across. And let's say about right here. Just go ahead and just draw a curve. There. We'll end it like that to simplify it. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Put a little line right here. And I'm going to come in here with my whiteout pen and just erase this part right here so you can see it a bit better. And here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Grim Reaper turned out and that it wasn't too scary. And thanks so much for watching Draw So Cuties, and I hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching once again, and make sure to please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.